हेलो, नमस्ते एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। आज इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम 10 ऐसी लैंडमार्क्स फिल्मों के बारे में बात करेंगे जिससे अमूमन मीडिया एप्टीट्यूड के एग्ज़ाम्स में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। ये सारी फिल्में लैंडमार्क इसलिए हैं क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट सीरीज़ में आती है, लाइक फर्स्ट कलर फिल्म, फर्स्ट सिनेमास्कोप फिल्म, फर्स्ट 3D फिल्म ऑफ इंडिया, फर्स्ट टॉकी फिल्म ऑफ इंडिया, फर्स्ट संस्कृत फिल्म ऑफ इंडिया। और अमूमन आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, चाहे वो CUET का एग्ज़ाम हो, FTII का एग्ज़ाम हो, UGC नेट का एग्ज़ाम हो, हर बार फिल्म एप्टीट्यूड से इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। तो मैंने ये सारे क्वेश्चंस डिफरेंट एग्ज़ाम से पिक किए हैं, लाइक CUET, UGC नेट, FTII। पहले हम क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे, उसके बाद हम और भी चीज़ें जैसे डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, ईयर, दीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वाई दे आर फेमस। सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एवरीथिंग। हम जैसे जैसे वीडियो में आगे बढ़ेंगे, प्लीज़ पॉज द वीडियो, ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन and then see the answers. Okay, my name is Tushar Goyal. I am a PhD research scholar at Center for Media Studies, JNU. I have also qualified JRF, and on this channel we learn about different aspects of mass communication. We prepare for different exams like CUET, UGC NET and FTI exams. You can follow us, and you can also join us through our Telegram and our application. The links are in the description box. So now let us begin. The very first question, which was the first color film of India? So the right answer is Kisan Kanya, and it is also important, the year is important, the director is important. They can also ask you who was the director of Kisan Kanya. So let us discuss about this landmark film. These are all landmark films because they added to the technological advancement in the cinema. Kisan Kanya, it was released in the year 1937. So if they ask you in which year the first color film was released, so now you know the answer. It was in the year 1937. Okay, if they ask you which year, you know the answer, 1937. And who was the director of the first Indian film? They can ask you this also. He was Moti Gidwani. So Kisan Kanya, Hindi Cinecolor feature film, was the first color film directed by Moti Gidwani, produced by it. They can also ask you who produced Adesh Irani, and Adesh Irani is also very important name. You know why? Because he also directed the first Indian talkie film, which is Alamara. Okay, it is largely remembered by the Indian public on the account of it being India's first indigenously made color film. Okay, quick trivia, there was another film called Sairandri, and it made an attempt to be the first color film, but somehow it couldn't achieve it. Some of the scenes were in color, but the first fully indigenously color film made in India was Kisan Kanya. Next question, which was the first cinemascope film of India? This has been asked 2-3 times in several question papers. So Sholay, Raja Harishchandra, Sant Tukaram or Kagaz Ki Phool. Guys, all the options are very important, like Sant Tukaram, Raja Harishchandra. They are all landmark films in Indian cinema. We are going to discuss about them in great detail. So the right answer is Kagaz Ki Phool. Let us learn more about Kagaz Ki Phool. So what is cinemascope? It was use of amorphic lens. So जो स्क्रीन थी उसको थोड़ा और वाइड किया गया था, सिनेमेटोग्राफी टेक्निक थी. So कागज के फूल, it was released in the year 1959, directed by great Guru Dutt. You must have seen Pyasa, who also played the lead role, and it was India's first cinemascope and last film directed by Dutt. So this can also be a trivia. They can ask you which was the last film of Guru Dutt, or they can ask you a chronology of films. So Kagaz Ki Phool was the last film of Guru Dutt. And there is one more question. So what he was also called the Orson Welles of India. So if they ask you who was named as Orson Welles of India, so he was Guru Dutt. Okay, It marked a technical revolution in Indian cinematography and is widely considered to be ahead of its time. Now the next question. Who was known as the first lady of Indian cinema? Madhuri Dixit, Devika Rani, Wahida Rahman, Saira Banu. Wahida Rahman is very important these days because she is being conferred with Padma Shri Award. Okay, lifetime achievement. I guess you can check on the internet. This can be a current affair also. So the right answer is Devika Rani. Devika Rani was considered as the first lady of Indian cinema. Why? Because she was a very successful producer. She gave chances to one of the biggest superstars of Indian cinema. He was Dilip Kumar. Okay, so his husband was Himanshu Ray, and they produced great films. She was an actress also. So Devika Rani was an Indian actress who was active in Hindi films during the 1930s and 40s. She was the recipient. She was the first recipient. This is also MCQ. They can ask you who was the first recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. She was Devika Rani. Okay, she is widely acknowledged as the first lady of Indian cinema. Devika Rani had a successful film career spanning more than 10 years. Next question. Who was the first actress to receive Padma Shri? So Madhuri Dixit, Nargis, Wahida Rahman or Devika Rani. So the right answer is Nargis Dutt. She received this award in the year 1958. So little trivia about Padma Shri Award. Padma Shri is the fourth civilian after Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan. This is fourth highest civilian award conferred to the citizens of India. It started in 1954, but she received in 1958. She was the first lady actor to receive it. And it is given to the people from various spheres of activity including arts, education, industry, literature, science, acting, medicine, social service and public affairs. Nargis was conferred with this award in the year 1958. So now let us move to next question. Which was the first Sanskrit film of India? This is a very important question, and especially in the current times. So the right answer is the options are Aham Brahma, Vidya Dadati Vinayam, Kalidasa or Adi Shankaracharya. So the right answer is Adi Shankaracharya, but they can also ask you in which year was the first Sanskrit film released. So the right answer would be in the year 1983. So the first Sanskrit film ever made was Adi Shankaracharya in the year 1983. They can ask you who was the director of the first Sanskrit film. He was G.V. Iyer, and it also was conferred with national awards, 31st national awards. Okay, 31st national awards. It won 4 awards: best film, best screenplay, best cinematography and best audiography. Little trivia about Sanskrit cinema. There are till now 15 films produced in the Sanskrit language. Next question. Which is the first 3D film of India? Don 2, Bahubali, Ravan, My Dear, Kutti Chatan. So the right answer, this is a question of UGC net. The right answer is My Dear Kutti Chatan. Like other question, they can ask you in which year was it released. So it was released in the year 1984. See, 1983 first Sanskrit film, 1984 first 3D film, and it was in the language Malayalam. It was a fantasy film directed by Jiju Punose. It was the first Indian film to be filmed in 3D format. So My Dear Kutti Chatan, first 3D film. The next question. Which is the first Jubilee film of India? Golden Jubilee. So Silver Jubilee is when the film runs for 25 weeks in a theater, and Golden Jubilee is 50 weeks. So first, it's a landmark film. Golden Jubilee film of India, Raja Harishchand, Alamara, Sant Tukaram or Keech Ka Vadam. So the right answer is Sant Tukaram. They can ask you the year, and also the language is also important. So it was a Marathi film. Sant Tukaram was based on the life of Saint Tukaram. He was a prominent figure in the Bhakti movement. It was a runaway success, broke the box office records by being the first film to run in a single theater for more than a year. So more than 50 weeks. Okay, and it was a Marathi film. These are very important MCQs. Now the next question, which is the first telefilm of India to be broadcasted through television? Khichdi, Checkmate, Sadgati, Striker. So Sadgati is the right answer, and it has been asked from several lenses in many exams. Who was the director? So director is very prominent. This was, I guess, which language, which story adopted. Okay? So Sadgati was directed by Satyajit Ray, and it was based on the story of Munshi Premchand. This has been asked in UGC NET, then Jamia exam, okay, and also in FTII. So this is very important film. It was produced by Doordarshan, and it was based on a story written by Munshi Premchand. Now a very frequently asked question which most of you will be familiar with, but we have to discuss a very important trivia about that question. So okay, let us first solve this question, then we will talk about it. Which is the first talkie film of India? Sant Tukaram, we just discussed. Sant Tukaram was the first Golden Jubilee film. Marathi. Then Sairandri, I just told you that it was first attempt to make a color film. Unsuccessful attempt, directed by the legendary V. Shantaram. Year is also important. You can check on internet. Raja Harishchand, we all know, it was by Dada Saheb Phalke. Then the right answer to it is the first talkie film, Alamara. Then year is important, 1931. Director is important, Adesh Irani. Some trivia. Okay, we just discussed the trivia. Which is the first feature film of India? So the right answer is Raja Harishchand in the year 1913. Next question. So Alamara trivia is here. Alamara is a 1931 film. They can ask you language. So it was in a Hindustani language. Directed and produced by Adesh Irani. The film was also widely considered as a major breakthrough for Indian cinema because of it being the first sound film. Next question. First feature film of India. Sir, why are you repeating this question? Read the options very carefully. Sant Tukaram, Sairandri. Many of you will claim it to be Raja Harishchand, but the right answer is both of these. So there is a new controversy which has erupted in film scholarship. It has been going on since forever. So before Raja Harishchand in 1913, there was also a recorded play. Okay, so this was a feature film, properly directed, shot in a film format. This was a recorded play, stage play, Shri Pundalik, and it was released in 1912 by Dada Saheb Torne. Okay, so if they also give you Shri Pundalik, it will be considered right, okay, because this was released first. But some film scholars believe that it was not a full-fledged feature film, it was a recorded play, and the cinematographer was also a person from British origin. So they considered Raja Harishchand to be the first film. Okay, so very important information that this can also be claimed to be the first film. So guys, you can download this PDF from my app. Just go to download my app from the description box, go to free material and documents. You will find this PDF, and I have already uploaded it there. You can follow us, and you can follow the playlist also. I'm going to come up with more such MCQ sessions, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.